Welcome today. We're covering the importance of scheduled maintenance within the hospitality industry. At this early stage of the tutorial, we must stress the importance of using qualified tradesmen. Let's start with planned maintenance for long-term reliability. Whether you're managing or own a boutique hotel, a resort or restaurant, planned maintenance is the backbone of operational efficiency and guest satisfaction. We'll explore why planned maintenance matters, what it entails, and how to implement a robust program that ensures your property stays in peak condition for years to come. Planned maintenance is so critical. The goal is simple: to prevent problems before they occur. Here's what planned maintenance achieves: prolonged equipment life. Regular servicing extends the life of your assets. Cost savings. Avoid expensive emergency repairs or replacements. Safety assurance. Mitigate risks of hazards like electrical faults or gas leaks. Enhanced guest experience. A property that's always functioning optimally leads to happy guests and better reviews. Now let's break down the components of a strong planned maintenance program. Create a detailed list of all equipment and systems requiring maintenance: air conditioning, plumbing, electrical systems, elevators, etc. Use the Stay4U Maintenance Schedule app to record inspections, servicing and replacements. Base this on manufacturer recommendations and usage patterns. Keep all documents that cover maintenance activities to track performance and identify patterns. Always use certified professionals to perform tasks. As we discussed earlier, this ensures safety and compliance. Let's move on to the practical steps for implementing a planned maintenance strategy. Inspect all systems and equipment to assess their current condition. Identify high-priority areas based on age, usage, or known issues. Schedule regular checks, monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on the equipment. Don't forget seasonal tasks, like HVAC servicing before summer or winter. Allocate funds for routine servicing, minor repairs, and potential upgrades. Establish relationships with qualified tradesmen and service providers. Ensure they are familiar with your property's specific needs. Review your maintenance records regularly and adjust the schedule based on performance data and feedback from your team. No strategy is without challenges. Let's address some common issues like limited budget. Focus on critical systems first and expand as resources allow. Another could be unreliable vendors, so try to vet your service providers thoroughly and maintain clear contracts. Look at lack of time. Delegate tasks to team members and use software tools to automate scheduling. Incorporating technology into your maintenance program makes it more efficient. Consider these tools: CMMS software, computerized maintenance management systems, tracks assets, schedules tasks, and records maintenance history. Mobile apps, such as the ones provided by Stay4U, which will allow teams to log issues and monitor progress in real time. And IoT devices which have sensors that can alert you to issues like water leaks or system malfunctions before they escalate. In conclusion, planned maintenance is about staying ahead of problems, controlling costs, and delivering the best possible experience to your guests. Remember, it's not just an operational task, it's an investment in the longevity of your property and the satisfaction of everyone who walks through your doors.
To stay updated on all our latest videos, make sure to subscribe so you're notified as soon as new content is available. For additional information or specific inquiries, feel free to reach out to us directly to services@stay4u.com. We're here to help with all your hospitality property needs.